Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got my brother, Jervin. And we actually have the giveaway truck. We just picked it up. 05 Silverado. Pretty clean, so it's white. And this truck is gonna be given away on YouTube. Yeah, not on YouTube.
So it was a Facebook
page giveaway. I put an HD hood on it, pull over, and then do a little video on the outside. But it's a pretty good looking truck. I mean, by the time I upload on YouTube, it's going to be given away already. So check it out. All right, so this Silverado, we picked it up, very good price, but it is, like I said, it's a very nice truck. It's an 05 Silverado. We are doing the new front end, pretty much. So we got the new grill coming in. We got the HD hood already painted. Headlights are actually in his truck. Got to get them out, put them in the truck. Got to put LEDs. And then I think we're gonna do some 22s or 20s. And like I said, this truck, we actually gave it away on our Facebook page that we have going on. But sooner or later, I would like to do this for YouTube, you know, buy merch and have a chance to win a truck. But this will be a quick little video. Pretty much how we're gonna build this little truck, you know, within a week, because that's how long the giveaway was on for, only a week. So we're gonna see how it looks like when we're done. But it has a lot of miles, but the engine and transmission only has roughly around 50 to 60,000 miles on it. Truck. The interior is pretty clean. We might get a tint installed on it, so it's pretty dope. What do you think about that?
There's a budget, so we gotta do HD hood, which is supplied to the truck and give to us. We bought a 06 plastic grill. We're doing a roof wrap. Paint to match the grill. Mirror caps. We did find the lead on some 22-inch OEM. No, they're OEM takeoffs for GMC.
So this should be tight. It's gonna be a fun little build, and then I want to show y'all on YouTube.
So, but hopefully this weekend we get the wheels. If we pick up the wheels, and I'll determine how much money we have to spend on everything else on the truck.
So probably do a 2.4 drop. If not, just leave it as is. Maybe just drop the shackles 2 inches,
2-inch lower shackles, but that's 22, so it's gonna fill up the gap a lot pretty good. And then, you know, we want to get exhaust and headers and all that. We'll do a carbon motor. We'll leave the cats on because we don't know how whoever wins it, you know, whatever they're in California or something.
Well, I don't want to deal with the chicken in like the thing. That dash is clean.
Well,
yeah. We'll show you. We're gonna do the whole process on this video, so it'll be pretty tight. Alright, here it is, guys. An 05 Silverado. Like I said, getting a new HD hood, getting a new grill, new headlights, new fog lights. It is going to get a paint to match grill. 06 HD one. You can watch it real quick, but other than that, the wheels are nice. We're going to sell those maybe $200-300 so we can get them on offer. But we're putting 23 for stock 20s, depending on if you pick up those 22s. Other than that thing is, it's a nice looking truck. Little thing here. But other than that, it's nice. It's clean. Nice interior. The brown interior. Yeah, we got our food right there. Hey, I'm gonna put this on later on today. Take it home. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna do a little cinematic on this GoPro. See if I can do it. All right, so while he's rinsing it off real quick to work, and then when they get home, we're gonna do the headlights real quick because I already got those at the house. Came in yesterday,
and the grill and stuff should be coming in a few days. But I'm excited who's gonna win this truck, get it, and what they're gonna do to it. But we're gonna do what we can to make it presentable for the winner. But there it is, guys. 05 Crew Cab. We're gonna give it a. So this is gonna be like I think it's like a nationwide. A lot of people from different states. So we're gonna give it the Houston touch. You know, a little lower, hopefully with 22s. But other than that, it's a nice little truck. So let's get home. Alright guys, so we just had a tornado blow through the shop. Oh damn. The roof got ripped off. Look at all that stuff over there, you can see it right over there. Oh damn, look at that. Alright, look at all that trash you got on the power lines. All over the neighbor's yard, power lines are down. It's crazy. Cadillac got hit. Silverado safe. So I guess we're shutting down early today. Got another piece over here. We're gonna shut down early today when we head home. Silverado is fine. So. Alright, here's a view of the inside of the shop with no roof. That's crazy.
That's my car. And this one too. Hell yeah, man. That's a hell of a deal.
Sounds good. Let's go ahead and do it, guys. Good luck. See who wins. Good luck, guys. Thank y'all for participating. And, see who wins the best truck here. So good luck. 1 through 50. Everybody's paid. This one went pretty smooth. Yep, enter. All 150 spots taken. All paid. And whoever wins, give us about a week or two so we can do everything the correct way. You know, the HG front end, the wheels put on. We can get it faster than, you know, give us a week or something. But here it is, guys. Refresh it 3 times. Alright, here it is, guys. Good luck. Wish all the best. The winner for the truck is going to be number 126. Let's see who that was. Who's winning a truck? 126, Tyler Gash. Down. Gash, congrats. Why you going to my picture? There it is. Congrats, Tyler. You won a truck. Give me up, bud. Get you squared away. Thank y'all for playing. If you want to see another truck, let us know. We'll look for one. Other than that, I think we have a Caprice next. So, see y'all next time. Alright guys, so we have a winner for the truck giveaway. It was 120 something. Yeah, 126. Tyler Gash. We'll be fixing up that truck for him, sending it off to wherever he's from. So hit that subscribe and probably do some more. I'm gonna call the winner real quick. What's up, bro? What's up, man? Congrats on the truck win.
Hey, man, I didn't even know everyone started messaging me. I was like, what?
Oh shit, for real? Oh, I tried to, but it's like 150 spots is too many to tag, you know?
Oh, yeah, you're all good.
But
I'm
yeah,
out here working. I was just eating shit.
yeah, it's badass. But yeah, we got.
I'm trying to win like 10 cars.
But we got, like I said, it's gonna come with the it's already painted, the HD hood. We already got the headlights, the grill's coming in. We got to get it painted. And
Good, man. Take your time.
we bought some 20-inch wheels, so okay.
Is shipping included on it?
$600 tour shipping. So whenever we're ready, we'll hit you up, see how much that's gonna be. But
You're all good. I'm in no rush.
all right, so yeah, hit me back.
What? You're in Houston, right?
Yeah, we're in Houston.
How far is that from Denver?
Shit, I don't know. I gotta look it up. How much is a plane ticket?
Oh, fuck. I know my buddy's going back to Denver, and I was just gonna have him fly to Houston and pick it up and bring it to Denver with him or whatever.
Oh, okay. But yeah,
I'm back here in like 15 minutes.
all right, sounds good, bro. All right, bye.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet.